Hello guys, this is Saloni Hasija, your host, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so let's talk. This is my favorite, this is my hobby to have a conversation with you all. Okay, so today's topic is very simple and very common nowadays among ourselves. We have seen many people doing such things, and it's about killing ourselves. Why do you think that for every problem, the solution is to kill yourself or the society? Okay, so let's talk about the topic society. Suicides, we know that various suicides occur in our country also. Recently, the famous Sushant Singh Rajput was claimed that he killed himself, and then various things happened. You know very well. Rest is history. So, and there are various things that people do. Think about it that if you are in depression, commit suicide. I won't say that I do not know. I've never met a person who's in depression. I do not know if I was in depression for a certain time period because everything with me also happened. My life was also not very easy. Your life is also not very easy. There are things which we do not want from our life, and that happens, and that disrespects us or disobeys us. That is not accepted by us, and we just think that killing ourselves will be the best thing to do, right? But why do we think such things? Why do we think that killing ourselves is the best thing to do? Let's just think about it. सुसाइड्स जो है अभी रिसेंटली बहुत ज़्यादा मैंने जो सुनी है, जैसे अगर आप पहले किसी अपने दादी एंड ऑल से बात करो, मम्मा से बात करो, तो उस टाइम पे सुसाइड रेट्स इतने नहीं होते थे. दे विल से दैट उस टाइम पर सुसाइड रेट्स इतने इसीलिए नहीं होते थे क्योंकि इतनी पढ़ाइयाँ नहीं थी, इतनी डिफ़िकल्ट लाइफ नहीं थी, सोशल मीडिया नहीं था, लोगों के ऊपर इतना दिमाग में क्लास का बर्डन नहीं था, ऐसा सोचा जाता है. विच माइट बी अ रीज़न ऑल्सो, आई डू नॉट नो अबाउट इट, बट बड़े कहते हैं तो ऑफकोर्स सही कहते होंगे, कोई ना कोई रीज़न होगा. बट according to me, what I feel is suicide happens because we do not have a reason to live. You know, we have not set a reason to live. We are just racing to follow our dreams. We want to grab that also, and that also. But we do not have a reason to live. And that reason or a positivity in our life. And I think so personally that reason, if you want certain reason to live, you should love your life. And how you can love your life? How a person loves a life? He loves himself when he is satisfied with whatever happens in his life. Because we know that whatever is happening today will eventually lead to a betterment, will eventually lead to a better day. Like आज बुरा दिन है तो कल अच्छा दिन आएगा, अच्छे दिन आएंगे. We think that and we will think that, or things will happen for a change, good things will happen for a good change. This is what a positive thinker does, that he thinks positively and positivity happens with him. He do not want to quit his life and all. But why today's generation is quitting so easily? What I think is they're not having a hope, and that hope which we get is from the God. Okay, so you should believe in whatever happens for a good. You should believe in God, that God will never do so things that is not in your favor. What I believe. So believing in God and respecting your God, agreeing with everything that happens with you as a good thing that will teach you certain things, will of course help you to not to kill yourselves. What I think is कि आज अगर कुछ बुरा हो भी रहा है, या आप नहीं क्या कहते हैं इसको, आप उभर नहीं पा रहे हो किसी लॉस से, ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है, तो why not wait and let God do what he is trying to explain us. Like what I believe is uh, God is our strength, and that strength will give us positivity, a positive outlook to look in, to live our life. So the positive outlook which we get from the God is very important thing for you all as well. So let's just think that instead of killing ourselves, instead of trying to compete with others, let's just keep our God in ourselves. I'm not saying पूजा करने को मैं खुद बिलीव नहीं करती हूँ कि पूजा ऐसी पूजाएं करना मन तंत्र sort of. I do not believe in that. I believe that God lies over here. The God is within ourselves, and that God who is within ourselves will never let us do anything wrong. Will never let us do. अगर तुम्हारे दिल में भगवान की क्या कहते हैं वो डर होता है या छवि होती है, इफ़ यू नो, इफ़ यू थिंक दैट वॉट एवर वी आर गोइंग टू डू वी विल गेट a severe consequence, God will punish us, अगर हमारा कर्मा and all, then of course you won't be doing anything evil also. So keep your God over here, think about him every time. Do not do anything that will lead you to regret. And if you're regretting, always, if you're regretting, do not take it very wildly, or wildly means badly. Do not take it badly. You just take it very positively, that if I'm regretting for a certain thing, I will regret properly, and I will not let it happen again. That is when you become a mature person, when you become a mature individual. So let's just take a promise with one another that we will, whenever we are in a situation in which we want to end our lives, this happens with me also, this might happen with you also. So whenever certain things happen, the first thing which we will talk about, yeah, the first person which we will talk to will be our God. We will talk to him, that we will talk to him, and he will always answer us like he always does. So that God will give you hope to live a life properly, and he will explain you that why things what happened with you was necessary to be done, and how these things will bring out the best in you. So whatever happens with you, there is a reason behind that. The God will always do the best for you for that. I think that whatever happens with you happens for the good, and when it happens, you know very well that you are being prepared for a better situation by the Lord, for a more widely situation. Like you will get, suppose I think that I got failed, I never failed, but if I failed in certain class, or I did not get good marks in certain subject, so that doesn't mean that I will, that I will lose all my hope, that I will kill myself. I will not. I will, of course, talk to God that whatever happened, there might be a reason behind that. I will get to grow more properly. I'll get mature because of this. So do not think about killing yourself as a solution. Rather, growth should be your solution. You do not have a right to take life. Not yours, not anyone's. The life, to give life and to take life is the situation, is the decision of Lord. It's not yours. So never think of taking your life or taking any other one's life. You should not. Okay. So here where it ends, and so just let me know, did you like this video or not, and please like, share and comment about the next video which you want me to post. See you guys later. Bye.